DSG Energy continues to support Pakistan's textile industry by powering Master Textile with reliable and efficient solar solutions. Master Group is recognized as one of Pakistan's leading industrial groups, consistently delivering high-quality products across global markets. This 3-megawatt solar installation is built to deliver long-term energy savings and sustainability. From planning to execution, every step reflects precision and technical expertise. Advanced sun-grow inverter technology plays a vital role in maximizing performance and reliability. Real-time monitoring enables optimized performance and system reliability. Clean solar energy supports uninterrupted operations at Master Textile, a significant step towards reducing energy costs and environmental impact. Together, we are shaping a more sustainable and energy-efficient future. Master Textile, powered by DSG Energy. Looking to make the switch to solar energy? Visit www.dsgenergy.com.pk or contact us at 03111 374 374.